You've done it. You've committed. You walk into the grocery store with a mission. Today, I'm shopping Mediterranean. You grab some vegetables, maybe some chicken, and then you stop at an aisle completely paralyzed. Which olive oil? There are 10 kinds. What about canned tomatoes? Does it matter? What bread is actually whole grain? Suddenly, your simple, healthy mission feels complicated and overwhelming.
That feeling of analysis paralysis in the grocery store is a major reason people give up before they even start. The sheer number of choices can be daunting, but what if you had a clear, simple blueprint, a definitive guide that told you exactly what to put in your cart, aisle by aisle, to build a kitchen that makes healthy eating the easy option?
Welcome back to the Healthy Food to Eat podcast. Today, we are giving you that exact blueprint. This is the most practical episode we've ever done. We are going deep on the ultimate Mediterranean food list and pantry essentials. We'll break down every category of food, tell you what to buy, what to look for on the label, and how to stock your kitchen for effortless success.
Grab a pen and paper or open the Notes app on your phone because you are going to want to write this down. By the end of this episode, you will be able to walk into any grocery store with total confidence, ready to build your foundation for vibrant health.
Let's start with the absolute cornerstone of the Mediterranean pantry, the category that defines this entire way of eating: fats and oils.
And the undisputed king is extra virgin olive oil, EVVO. This is non-negotiable, but the shelf can be confusing. Here's what you need to know. Extra virgin means it's the first cold press of the olives. It's unrefined, and it retains the highest amount of those powerful anti-inflammatory polyphenols.
So, what should a listener look for when buying a bottle?
3 key things. First, look for a dark glass bottle or a tin can. Light is the enemy of olive oil and degrades its quality. Avoid clear plastic or glass. Second, look for harvest date. Olive oil is a fruit juice. It's best when fresh. Try to buy oil harvested within the last year. A best buy date isn't as useful. Third, if you can, look for a country of origin like Spain, Italy, or Greece, rather than packed in Italy, which could mean the olives came from anywhere.
What about light or pure olive oil?
Those are refined oils. They're fine for high heat cooking where you don't need the flavor, but they lack the health benefits of EVVO. We recommend one high quality EVVO for dressings and finishing, and a more budget friendly regular olive oil for general cooking.
Beyond oil, you need a good vinegar. Red wine vinegar is the classic choice. It's perfect for making a simple vinaigrette. Balsamic vinegar is another great one to have for a slightly sweeter flavor profile. And finally, in this category, let's talk about whole food fats, olives. Kalamata or Castelvetrano are delicious. They're a great salty snack and a fantastic addition to salads and pasta.
Okay, we have our healthy fats. Now for the bulk of our shopping cart, the produce section. This is where the Mediterranean diet truly shines.
The guiding principle here is simple: eat the rainbow. The different colors and fruits and vegetables represent different phytonutrients and antioxidants. So don't just buy the same 3 things every week. Mix it up. Let's break it down into must-haves.
What are the absolute essentials we should be buying every week?
BC.
Aromatic vegetables. This is your flavor base. Garlic and onions are essential. No Mediterranean kitchen is complete without them.
Leafy greens. At least 2 types. One sturdy green for cooking, like kale or spinach, and one tender green for salads, like romaine lettuce or arugula.
Cruciferous vegetables. These are nutritional powerhouses. Think broccoli, cauliflower, or Brussels sprouts. They are fantastic for roasting.
Colorful veggies. This is where you get variety. Bell peppers of all colors, cucumbers, tomatoes, which technically are fruit, but we'll put them here, zucchini, and carrots.
Let's talk about fruits. What are the staples?
Lemons. This is almost as important as olive oil. Fresh lemon juice brightens up everything from dressings to fish to roasted vegetables. Always have lemons on hand.
Berries? Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they are antioxidant superstars. Pro tip, buy them frozen. It's much more affordable, they last forever, and they are perfect for smoothies and oatmeal.
Seasonal fruits. This is the most budget-friendly way to shop. In the summer, that might be peaches and melons. In the fall, apples and pears. Eating with the seasons ensures variety and flavor.
Ready to eat healthier without the hassle? Our Mediterranean Diet Printable Bundle has everything you need to stay on track. Get a comprehensive food list, 30-day meal plan, snack ideas, and a convenient shopping guide, all in one easy-to-use PDF. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve heart health, or simply enjoy balanced, delicious meals, this bundle is your simple path to a healthier lifestyle. Download now using the link below and start your Mediterranean journey today.
We've covered the fresh stuff. Now let's move to the center aisles of the store and build that resilient pantry that makes quick meals possible.
This section is your insurance policy against ordering takeout. Let's start with legumes, the unsung heroes of the Mediterranean diet. They provide protein, incredible amounts of fiber, and are extremely inexpensive.
Canned or dried? What's your recommendation?
Both have their place. Canned beans are unbeatable for convenience. We recommend having these three on hand at all times. 1, chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, for hummus, salads, and roasting. 2, cannellini beans, or any white bean, creamy and perfect for soups and pasta dishes. 3, lentils. If you only buy one dried legume, make it red lentils. They cook in 15 to 20 minutes, no soaking required, and dissolve into a beautiful creamy soup. Brown or green lentils are great for salads as they hold their shape.
Okay, let's talk grains. The bread and pasta aisle can be a minefield of marketing terms. What should we look for?
The magic words are 100% whole grain or 100% whole wheat. Look at the ingredients list. The very first ingredient should be whole wheat flour or whole grains, like quinoa or farro. Bread. A good 100% whole wheat sourdough or a sturdy whole grain loaf. Pasta. 100% whole wheat pasta is a great choice. Whole grains. This is where you can get creative. Quinoa, a seed but acts like a grain. Farro, chewy and nutty. Barley and brown rice are all fantastic staples to have on hand. Finally, other canned goods. Canned tomatoes, an absolute must. Get diced, crushed, and whole. They are the base for countless sauces and soups. Canned fish. This is so important. Look for tuna packed in olive oil, not water. It tastes better and provides healthy fats. And do not be afraid of sardines and mackerel. They are affordable, sustainable, and one of the best sources of omega-3s on the planet.
Okay, let's talk about the protein and dairy that fit into the Mediterranean pattern. Remember, these are consumed in moderation, not as the centerpiece of every meal.
Exactly. Let's start with the star protein, fish and seafood. The goal is at least 2 servings per week. Fatty fish is your top priority for those omega-3s. Salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, and tuna are the best choices. Buying frozen fillets is often the most cost-effective way to get high-quality salmon. Lean fish and shellfish, cod, tilapia, and shrimp are also great, versatile options.
What about poultry and eggs?
Chicken and turkey are the preferred poultry. Skinless breasts or thighs are both great. And eggs are a fantastic, inexpensive source of protein. They are a staple in the Mediterranean diet. Now for the dairy case. The key here is quality and often fermentation. Yogurt. Plain, full-fat Greek yogurt is the gold standard. It's strained so it has more protein, and it's fermented, which is great for gut health. Avoid the pre-sweetened flavored versions, which are packed with sugar. Cheese is used as a flavor enhancer, not a main ingredient. A block of good feta, made from sheep's or goat's milk, is a must-have for crumbling over salads and vegetables. Parmesan is another great one for grating over pasta and soups.
Okay, we've got the main components. Now for the little things that make the food truly delicious, the flavor stackers.
This is the fun part. Herbs and spices in your pantry, you must have dried oregano, rosemary, and thyme. Spices like smoked paprika, cumin, and red pepper flakes add warmth and a kick. And always buy fresh parsley and dill when you can. They add an incredible freshness. Nuts and seeds. A small handful is a perfect snack. Walnuts and almonds are top choices. Flax seeds and chia seeds are great for adding to yogurt and oatmeal. Pro tip, store your nuts and seeds in the refrigerator or freezer to keep their delicate oils from going rancid.
Okay, that was the ultimate shopping trip. Let's quickly recap the core philosophy of a Mediterranean pantry.
This. Prioritize plants. The bulk of your cart and your budget should be in the produce aisle. Eat the rainbow. 2. Embrace healthy fats. Make high-quality extra virgin olive oil your best friend. Get other healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and olives. 3. Build a power pantry. Canned beans, canned tomatoes, and canned fish are your secret weapons for fast, healthy meals on busy nights. 4. Choose quality over quantity for animal products. Fish is the star protein. Poultry, eggs, and dairy are used moderately, with an emphasis on fermented dairy like Greek yogurt. 5. Flavor is your friend. Don't forget the lemons, garlic, fresh herbs, and spices that make this food a joy to eat.
Okay, we just built a comprehensive guide, but we don't want you to feel like you have to go out and buy 50 new things today. That's not the goal.
Your call to action for this week is simple and focused. We call it the pantry upgrade. Pick just one category we talked about today and give it an upgrade.
Maybe your one thing is to finally buy a really good bottle of extra virgin olive oil in a dark glass bottle. Or maybe it's to stock up on 3 types of canned beans. Or perhaps you just commit to buying 2 different leafy greens this week instead of just one.
Pick one small manageable upgrade. See how it feels to have that one new tool in your kitchen. That's how you build a foundation for health that lasts, one smart choice at a time.
Thank you for taking this shopping trip with us. We hope you feel armed with knowledge and ready to stock your kitchen for success.
Until next time, shop smart and be well.